If you're a person that doesn't want to waste time but want results quickly, I found something by accident that's going to change your life forever in terms of video editing. I found a program that actually cuts out all my mistakes, all my silent parts, with a matter of just a few clicks. I was so impressed I thought I had to share. Actually, I found about this program out yesterday, so I'm on it quickly because maybe I am late to the game, but I discovered it yesterday and I thought I had to share. And you're wondering, what is the mysterious program you're talking about that I'm so hyped that I had to jump in on the next day to make a video? It's called Gling AI. I don't know if I say it right, but this tool is so incredible, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can try it out for yourself and see if you actually like it as much as I do, and you can follow along this tutorial with your own video. The thing you have to do is just drop in your raw footage, and you're just gonna wait, and it's gonna ask you a couple things, but so far you gotta choose your language. It's in English, and that's pretty much it, and then click continue. And then this window is going to ask you what you want, if you want to cut silences, remove silent moments from your video, and cut bad takes. I always leave those two on, and it's insane how good it works, but you can always edit it later if you don't like it. You can also add jump cut zooms and remove audio noise. I don't need this because I have a pretty good microphone, so I'm not going to use that, but if you don't have a good microphone, you should try it out. I have not tried this out, but yeah, so I always leave those first two checked, and then I go enhance and edit. And now it's going to start loading. This video is not super long. It was just, I think, like a 10-minute video, but usually my video, because I'm actually editing this video with this software, and so I am just not having all this part obviously right now. I only have the part that are the intro. That was it already. As you can see, we uploaded everything and it cut down. You can see down here, you can see number of cuts, 98. Edited time, it went from 7 minutes 53 to 3 minutes, so it cut out a lot, meaning I make a lot of mistakes and I make a lot of silent parts, which this is how it is. But yeah, so we can go into the video and I can show you a little bit how it works. So you see down here is the timeline, and you can see it already cuts out the first part, which is obvious because I'm starting the camera and then walking back, so I can show you right now how this is gonna look. And how I like to do it is I like show cuts down here because it will allow you to just see what actually was cut out, because obviously there will be sometimes a mistake where like, oh, I actually want this in, but it will detect it as a flaw or detect it as a silent part. Very rarely, but I still like to see what it is. When you do skip cuts, it's also kind of good because then it kind of just flows with what is actually left. So also sometimes I like to turn this on when I'm rewatching it to make sure it's making sense. But yeah, so right now I have those two turned on, and as you can see, let's just get it started.
If you're someone who doesn't want to...
Right, and so it starts already with that. That's already, and let's see how it actually would have started. It's actually this whole part. This whole me sitting down, trying to grab my microphone, trying to get ready. Yeah, so this is like the whole silent part, which usually would take me time to cut out. It's already done for me. Yeah, and now you see it starts right where I need to start. Let's say I want to have this part back because they cut it out because I think it's not worth it, and I feel like, no, I really want this in because I like this part. All I gotta do is mark it and then click uncut, and it will be back in. And if I want to return it, do this and then cut, and it's back. And you see right here in the timeline, it automatically adjusted. Whether you cut through here, it will automatically make the cuts down there, which is super smart. If you feel like the whole section needs to be back in, you can just here see this whole is grayed out, meaning they cut it out, but I can just cut right next to it, the scissor, and it will be back in and got added to the timeline. And if I want it back to be uncut, to be cut, then I just click it again and it will be back, skipped out the video. When you're happy with the progress, you can just go and export the video and it will just download it to your computer, and then you can add whatever you feel like you want to add in Final Cut or Premiere or DaVinci regarding color grading and stuff like that. But just this is just insane how much it saves you time and how good it is at cutting out. It really does such a good job, and I was just really impressed how well it works. I'm cuts out the things that usually I would do by hand, and you can see it's already at 97 cuts, and it really shrunk down the time for me editing, because now I can only edit the fun part, the transitions and zooms and color grading and stuff, but I don't have to use the tedious time of cutting out things, me mumbling for the 5th time the same mistake. As you can see, I make a lot of mistakes. And so yeah, I think this program is amazing. I think it helps you so much fasten your progress, and that way you can make more content without feeling burned out because you're like on the computer just editing everything by hand. And yeah, so far I love it. As you can see, they have the plans right here. You can start for free right now, but you could also have the $10. I think it's if you save, if you do the annual thing. I'd just do the monthly one, and I see if I need to upgrade depending on how much video I'll be making. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But you can try out for free and see if you like it. I leave a link in the description for you to try out Gling AI. I use the paid plan, but you can start off for free just to see if you actually like it. But I think it's totally worth it. The amount, just 15 euros or dollars a month, is so worth it. The hours and hours of cutting that I usually would do tedious work on my own, and my time right now is so precious, and I'm sure everyone else's is too, that it works and it's super worth it for me to be paying that much. So yeah, try it out, see if you like it. And actually called my dad yesterday because I had to tell him that he was right, because he's been telling me AI is so amazing, has so many great benefits. And I was always like, yeah, but not for my type of field, because video, they're not there yet. It's just not that great. And especially when I saw those AI photos, I was like, they're all ugly to me. I don't like them. They don't look good at all. And so yesterday I had to call him when I found out this program, because I was like, oh my goodness, I'm saving so much time. I can't believe how well it is, especially with the part where you see the text and you see the video on the side, and it's just the workflow gets so easily in the way to edit it. I was just so impressed, and I had to tell him he was right. I didn't thought it was possible, but got proven wrong. And I knew something with AI and video was gonna come, but that it does work so well and that it saves me so much time, I didn't think that was actually possible to be this quickly available to me. Am I the biggest fan of AI? No. Am I aware that if I don't learn how to use it, I will have major disadvantages? Yes. And so that's why I'm kind of trying to be open more towards AI and try to implement it in areas that will actually save me time. And that's the most important part for me. I'm not using it to be more creative. I'm not using it to write scripts or things like that right now. But for me, I am so limited on my time right now that I really enjoy every tool that will allow me to have more time, especially if it makes no difference. There's no difference whether I sit there for hours and hours, edit out all my mistakes, because I make so many, or cuts out all the silence parts, all the M's, and like, and like you do that a lot when you film. At least I do. I'm not always having it perfect on the first try, and it takes a lot of time. There's a lot of errors in my videos, and so if someone else, which I don't have to pay like a crazy hourly wage, can cut out these parts for me which have no impact on the creative aspect of those videos, I'm here for it. And so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any other AI tools that I should know about that actually save you time or have other great benefits that are not so into the creative aspect but more about the time saving and the just being more efficient, let me know. I would love to know more about it. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in the next video.